Okay, so we're going to do a quick little review on the JBL Charge for wireless, waterproof, awesome little outdoor speaker thing that my wife decided that she wanted to get for listening to music outside. First off, if you're worried about how loud this thing is, don't be. It's ridiculously loud. It's got speakers in the front here, and these little guys on the side are little subwoofers here on either side. It does have a pretty good, it actually has a really good bass response sound. I mean, obviously it's not going to be like a subwoofer, but it's quite nice. That's my buddy Wheatley down there. Wheato, say hi. Hey, buddy. Anyway, so back to the speaker. This is the Bluetooth button. Here you got a volume down, volume up. Nope, you know what? That's a loop feature. Something else. I forgot exactly what that is. I'm not a professional tech reviewer. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts about it. Volume button, play button. That's the power button there. Sorry about that. And that's the Bluetooth button. It does have LEDs here on the bottom for when you power this thing on. So let's just click it, turn it on like that. It'll play that sound. Maybe you heard that. It's got 3 LEDs left, letting us know that we're about 50% of the power. I'm kind of surprised that it didn't start playing music just now, because my wife's inside probably listening to some music. So these light up when it's on, that lights up when it's on. Those lights also light up when you're charging it, which you do from this little port back here. You pop this down. It's kind of hard to do with one hand while I hold my phone, but we're going to get there. All right, so there's a microphone jack in the middle there. There is a USB-C charging port on the left side there, and then a normal USB 3.0, I think it's a 3.0 charging port, or a port over here, so that you can connect a device manually if you want to. Anyway, all in all, it's a pretty good speaker. It does sound really nice. We like to put it right out there on the steps of our pool when we're chilling outside and whatnot, and we listen to it in the house when we're cleaning up the house. There's another little subwoofer on this side. It's got 2 of those. We listen to it when we're like vacuuming and things like that, and it definitely has the ability to overpower the vacuum cleaner so that we can hear the sound coming from it. It's super easy Bluetooth pairing. You just do any sort of a normal Bluetooth pair, you know, turn Bluetooth on, find the device. It hooks up really fast. It charges super quick. In about an hour, it's got pretty much a full charge on it, and it'll last most of, if not all day long on a single charge. So yeah, this thing is awesome, and we really enjoy it. We've had it for over a year and haven't had any trouble with it. It has gotten wet just from rain sprinkling and things like that. It's never been submerged under the water, but it does say that it's waterproof. So yeah, use at your own risk. Anyway, there's the thing. I approve. Yeah, there we go. I approve.
It's Chris here. Today I wanted to do a quick review on the JBL Charge 4. This is a Bluetooth speaker that's waterproof. This is a full spectrum, powerful sound and built-in power bank to charge your devices, which is great if you wanted to go to the beach or the lake or anywhere you wanted to go. Even if it was just at work, you could charge your phone with it. It features a proprietary developed driver and 2 JBL bass radiators that intensify the sound. There is strong bass with these little things. It does pack a punch. Its capacity is 7,500 megahertz rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Will give you 20 hours of playtime. You know, if you're going out for the day, you don't have to worry about it. It does charge with a C cable. You could also look at it as just like a power bank that plays music. So it is very cool. I was pleasantly surprised with the sound. This is very rugged. It's an IPX7 waterproof design, so that means it is submersible. Together with the JBL Connect Plus, it can wirelessly link more than 100 JBLs. You can enable any speakers to elevate whatever you're listening to. So yeah, there's Bluetooth streaming. You can wirelessly connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets to the speaker. So you could take turns if you know you're with someone or you have siblings. I have 3 kids, so it helps out. 20 hours of playtime. It's really, like I said, it was really durable and rugged. The durable fabric is rubber housing, so I mean this thing lasts. Like I was saying, with my family, we're pretty rough on stuff, and with the 3 kids, this thing's been through the ringer. The dual passive radiators is what I was talking about, delivers that powerful sound, and it's really cool how they figured out how to make this little tube go so loud and sound so crisp. to charge this thing completely. It's 4 hours if it was dead, nothing, but that will give you 20 hours, whatever you need, whether it's charging or playing music. It is just over 3.5 by 8.5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. It only weighs 2.12 pounds, so it's really easy to tote around. As you can see, I'm a pretty big guy, but still. Okay, you got your Bluetooth Connect speaker. You just push it and it pairs with your smartphone. Track forward, track back, volume negative, volume positive, and power button. So it's super simple. Then this right here, you open this up, and this is your port. You have your C cable adapter here, then you have a USB here as well, and you also have a headphone jack. So like I said, they really thought of a lot here. It's got this nice rubber base here that stays flat, and it will give you your power reading on how much battery you have. But yeah, I just thought I should do a review on this. This thing is great, whether you're on a job site or just hanging out at home doing yard work or whatever it may be. And yeah, in my opinion, it's a really great little system. I hope this helps somebody in their quest to find cool, reliable, and rugged gear, and gear that works. This one definitely passes the test, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye now.
You looking for a really good speaker? This one is the JBL Charge 4. Several different versions that they've made. Very solid speaker. If you've never used a JBL, they sound amazing, especially these tube ones. They have some really large ones that sound ridiculously insane. But even this size here is pretty good for this size. It's loud. You got your easy connection with your Bluetooth. All you gotta do is press that. It's gonna beep. You'll be able to connect it to the device very easily. You got your volume controls on here, your play. You can also do those within the device. You can see that, you know, can't even think, with the woofers and everything, this thing is built for bass. We'll just say that. If we open up the back, you'll see Charge 4. There we go. All right, so if we look at the back, it says Charge 4, and you'll see the input Type-C, so you can actually charge it by Type-C, which I like. You got an aux, and you got a USB, so you can actually charge your phone with this as well. This is like a battery in its own. Now, I wouldn't use a speaker to charge my phone, but if you needed to, you could. As for quality, though, sound is great. And it gets very loud, gets a lot of bass. I'll put something random on. We got club hits. Right now, the volume is not very loud. That's almost the lowest. I don't want to make it too loud just because I don't want to bother my neighbors where I am right now. But if you're looking for a solid speaker that puts out a lot of volume, a lot of bass, this one does work really well.
Hi, today I'm gonna review this JBL Charge 4 Bluetooth speaker, which is also portable and waterproof. So of course it comes in this really nice box. Now when you remove the top cushion, you see the speaker right away. Now there is also this other box inside when you will find quick setup guide, some additional warranty information, and the USB charging wire. We chose the black edition of the speaker, but there is many different colors. So as you could see, there is logo in front. Now when you turn it sideways, this part is gray, but it also has JBL logo on one side, and on the other side is this exclamation point. Then of course on the bottom there is this little stand, if you will. Obviously this is in cylinder shape, so otherwise it would roll. And also on the base you can see these 5 LED lights. This is the charge level. Of course there is this nice mesh around the speaker. Now on top there is all the controls. Right in the middle there is power on button, followed with the Bluetooth button for connection purposes. And then on one side plus, the other minus for volume increases and decreases. Then you have play button and shuffle button. Now on the back of the speaker you have this nice hidden compartment, and it says Charge 4 on it. Obviously when you open it there is all the ports. So you have USB-C charging port, then the headset port, and you also have USB port, so you can actually play the music while charging your phone in the same time, for example. Now when you put the speaker on, there is this really nice sound to it. It lets you basically know it's on, and also with the Bluetooth. To connect the Bluetooth phone, for example, all you need to do is press the Bluetooth button, then go to your Bluetooth settings on the phone and look for JBL Charge 4. And once you click connect, this is it. And when you play the music, especially louder when there is a lot of bass, then you can really see the speaker in action because both sides move. And also on the side note, this speaker is really loud. Here is the example. Obviously this is recorded on the phone, so it's not gonna do the justice, but it's just a test. It has really nice bass to it.
She's gone tomorrow, boy, all that she wants is another baby.
It has really good clarity as well. So not only is the speaker well beat, it has really good quality to it as well. And because it's really easy to connect it to a lot of different devices, and it's portable and waterproof, I think that makes it a good value.